Hi guys, Leah here with Ode to Paper. I'm here with my April How to Kill a KAKWS style kit. So I went a little bit different this month. I had some pages that were clumped together that were supposed to go together. So kind of like a page kit, but it'll be multiple page kits. So the first group I pulled out is this Paige Evans group. Now this is back from when I got those single-sided sheets last year in the summer. So I have some of the Wild Child left. So I have number 4, number 5. I have number 1. I have some Pick Me Up, also from Paige Evans. So I have number 6, number 5, and number 3. Now, that's a lot of pattern, a lot of color, but that's okay. What I'm going to do this month is break it up with cardstock. So on top of that, I also had this kit that was put together for me. So I have Echo Park Fashionista So Many Shoes. So the one side is this black and white polka dot, and the other side is this gorgeous dress shoes. Then I also have the Fashionista Dress for Success, which has this pink background with the blue, the peach, the pink, and the white, and the black, sorry, not blue, black bows. And the other side has these gorgeous dresses on it. Now, I know that these two are a white core. These ones are more of a cream base. And that's okay. I'm not going to use them together. So, also with that, I have some 12 by 12 cardstock in black, white, and then this is a Basil in Berry Blush, which is a perfect match for that. I'm going to run out of room here, but that's okay. So along with cardstock this month, I thought I can break up the pattern with cut files. So I have 3 cut files I'd like to use this month. There is the hearts, the circles, and then I have these Polaroid cameras. Now, at the time of filming this, I don't remember where these cut files come from. I will try and have them linked in the process videos that I use them in. So I'd like to get those used up. Now, when I say I'm going to break it up with cardstock, I also have a large doily. I pulled some pages from that, and this is very hard on the eyes, I know, from that Simple Stories Color Vibes 6x6 that I'll use. Also, the colors go very well. Here, let's do this so you can see some of the colors with the pattern papers. I have, oops, here goes my mouse. Some of this textured cardstock that also goes very well with that dark pink. I have a scrap of white. I pulled 3 of the wood grain sticker paper. The only color that seemed to go is that aqua color. And then I pulled out from my stack of scraps in my bin here, all of the scraps that would go. So we have teal, we have yellow, we have green, we have, navy blue, we have purple, white, there's more navy, there's a dark peach, a light peach, and a pink. And I also pulled in some full-size cardstock to use in some of those colors as well. And then I pulled in some of a matte stack in colors that will also go. There's 3 of each one. So I've got the teal, the pink, and that green. Now, along with that, I have pulled out some stickers and other embellishments to use. These are old. I want to get them used up. the colors, some of the colors, this color doesn't go. I just won't use it, but the other colors will work. I pulled out a package of paper flowers in that lovely pink. I have some stickers, some dimensional butterflies. I have this Recollections puffy stickers, which actually really goes well with the theme, with the lipstick, the flowers, you know, the whole thing. These are Valentine's stickers, but you know, that's okay because they can, a lot of it can work with the colors that I've got in here. I also found this package of rub-on stitches, stitch borders, that we can make that work. I have this package of flower die cuts. Partial page of clear vellum stickers. I have this 49 and Market wishing bubbles, which I'd like to get used up because I don't have the package anymore, and that drives me crazy. A couple of these, you know, butterfly stickers from Recollections. Some Me and My Big Ideas word phrases, some Recollections word stickers. We have Phrase Cafe stickers that are the clear ones. Recollections glittery heart stickers. Recollections, these are actually planner stickers, but some of them are great for layout pages. I have Paper House Sticky Picks puffy stickers and words and gold icons. This I have no, oh, there we go. It is a Momenta sticker pad. Lots of bright colors and stuff about friends and stuff like that. So I'm going to try and use those. These are also Me and My Big Ideas. I have the Dear Lizzie stickers that I tried to kill last month. It didn't get them killed, but I think I can make a lot of them work. I have a couple of tags from a tag set that I had. I'd like to get those used up. And then I have the leftover ephemera bits from, when was I doing this? February? January or February? Oh, I can't remember. But I had used, so these are also from Paige Evans' Pick Me Up and Wild Child, I believe they're all from. So I have lots of the ephemera bits, the cut aparts, a page that I had fussy cut. So I'm going to try and get most of those used as well. So that is my kit for April. I will have a list down below of all of the fabulous other people that are playing along this month. And so you'll see layouts throughout the month of April with using these products, and hopefully by the end of April I will have this kit all killed. All right, then I will see you again soon with another video. Have a great day, guys.